welcome to Ev's Shed. Thank you for joining me on this amazing transformation. We're going to renovate this whole house.
Lachie, I brought you toilet paper just in case.
Oh wow. Got that on video.
Got that on video. Yay. Alright, this is the main room. Main living area. Over there's the kitchen. Here's our beautiful kitchen. It's gonna go. Here is another living space. Looks outside. And then laundry. Obviously toilets. Lovely bathroom. That will soon be gone. Beautiful shower. How lovely is that? We got bedroom 1 with walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 with a nice little closet as well. And bedroom 3 with a nice big, whoa, lovely closet there. And here's Christine. So lovely, yes. Most of this is going to go. And then we've got on the other side our living room. There's a little area as well. Alright, today is first day. And what's the best day?
Demo day.
Yay! So we're pulling this apart. This whole kitchen is going. Stick the crowbar the other way. Pull. Pull. Yeah. That's better. That one. Let's keep on going. Smash it. Just roll around it to break it. I'll ask you guys to do it. I'm going to run into grab it.
Covered with that big wooden, we're getting rid of that.
We both so much better. Yeah. Can you tell us all about it later? Yeah, go on.
Oh, they're all nice and tight, aren't they? Yeah. Look. Look. Yeah. Try this blade. Yeah, much better.
That's it. Right.
So workman and his tools, eh? Yeah, he's got to plan your tools.
Yes.
Pull that carpet up.
I
Oh yeah. Oh, go Lachie.
Jesus.
Come on.
Well, lucky I was wearing a hat.
Smash away.
I did. Come on! Crowbar?
Get in there, Mark. Smash away.
Staying clear? Staying clear. Hard hat. There we go.
the job to go through the trash bin.
Oh, you smash this, Liz? No.
Oh yeah, I'm still doing that. Make that.
Smash it.
Nice.
Go. Smash.
What about this one?
Okay, now grab. Yeah, smash it.
That?
No.
No.
That work, Christine? What?
Wow. Well done. All right. As you can see, the bathroom is now all gutted thanks to Tass. Great work. Pull down if you can. Pull down.
Wow, it's opened up the whole area already.
Yeah, it is.
Go for it.
Then to keep going.
No. Keep on going. Try the other way, James. Show me how to do it, Christine.
Hold it like you're
That.
Like a bat, yeah.
Yeah.
Kick it in like that. That's easier.
That's also.
Now do the one on the right. No, that's it. That's it.
We're gonna pull it off.
Go!
I give you the pulse. It's a bit wire there, so don't get too far.
A bit lower. Go, go, go. Well done. That's how you do it. Now do the bottom one.
So now I need to smoosh again.
No. Just pull it.
Wait, do you reckon?
Just pull it. No. Go.
Nah, you. Oh,
Yeah.
That was more efficient.
And the demolition continues. So it's all nice and clean. Almost. The kitchen used to be here. Basically everything is now gutted. except for the toilet, which we need. But yeah, it's all looking great. This is the back of the house, the bedrooms, and it's all gutted.
If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button and also subscribe to Ev's Shed.